All over the world, digital media spread is contributing 15% to the overall advertising. Digital media techniques are helping business enterprises spread its wings to face the challenges of the day. Gone are those days when we used to billboards for advancing our business interests. Business flourishes when we capture the attention of people. This is why Google and Facebook generate more income than any traditional advertising agency. Digital marketing has become an umbrella term for a wide variety of channels of marketing such as mobile applications, social media, web applications, email, search engines, or any new digital channel. It all narrows down to a much simpler definition that digital marketing is a form of marketing that involves electronic devices. As per TRAI, the number of smartphone users is expected to reach 442 million by 2022. This in turn implies that online market demand will surge. The job portals in India predict that there will be around 70 lakh job openings by 2025. Around 91% of top recruiters consider certification as a major criteria for hiring into the field. 48% offer higher packages for certified candidates. According to Goldman Sachs report, the digital marketing future in the Indian internet industry alone is going to be worth $160 billion by 2025, which is thrice from its current value. That makes us aware of the scope of digital marketing in India and digital marketing as an in-demand job. To enter a marketing field, apart from technical skills, you must have 3 C's: communication skills, creativity, and critical thinking. These 3 are important. Marketing is a way of communicating to customers, so proper communication is a must. To keep updated with new ideas and come up with new adaptations, creativity is much needed. Critical thinking makes you think clearly and rationally and also helps you understand the logical connection between ideas. In United States, digital media managers earn an average income of $72,015 per year that can rise up to $111,000 per year. Digital marketing managers in India earn on an average of 5,48,000 per year, which can increase up to 10 lakhs per year.